Newton's first law of motion, the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. This is Garfield at rest. He will most definitely stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. The scene from the movie Date Night shows how crumble zones affect inertia. The passengers experience a long stopping time, which produces less force on their bodies due to the crumple zones of the car.
This scene also helps to describe Newton's second law, which states where there is a net force, there is an acceleration. At different points in the scene, both the Audi and the taxi are accelerating and decelerating due to the forces they put on each other.
This scene from the movie Night at the Museum describes Newton's third law of motion, which states that where there is a force, there is an equal but opposite force. As the monkey hits Ben, Ben's face also exerts a force back on the monkey's hand, equal and opposite to the force of the slap, and vice versa.
This clip shows the extreme effect of friction on a moving object. The ball speed didn't achieve a great enough force to overcome the static friction of the court in order to move forward.
This clip from Family Guy shows the effects of gravitational fields in orbit. Peter Griffin is so fat that he has his own gravitational field, which causes the objects to orbit around him. This can relate to satellites that continually fall around the Earth due to their great speed but don't escape the Earth's gravitational force.
This final clip from Blades of Glory explains many properties of circular motion. First off, when the skaters begin their first spin, the skater farther away from the center of rotation has a greater tangential speed than the person on the inside. This is because he is covering a larger distance in the same amount of time. This part of the clip shows centripetal force and centripetal acceleration. The centripetal force and the acceleration both are directed toward the skater holding the other. When he is thrown, this is called a tangential path. It becomes a straight line path in the same direction as the tangential speed.